We'd really like you to think about NOUVADerm in your practice. And I think we were reluctant because we felt like we had so many other technologies. And so was this really necessary? And I think from a business side, when we started to realize we could do post, sub, non-ablative with the speed and the lack of downtime, that was very appealing. So when I brought it to our provider team, they said, okay, we'll take a look. And I think there was a little bit of another new thing. And then Devon has just absolutely fallen in love with using it.
Yeah, I love the NOUVADerm. I use it on almost every aesthetics procedure because I find that it's just so awesome to help just give, honestly, more instant results. Everyone wants to be able to see whether we're building or refinishing or whatever to their body and face. We all want more instant results with less downtime, right? And so I do find that the NOUVADerm provides that, especially when you layer it with other therapies and other devices. So when you're layering it with like a scarlet, the scarlet's great for dermal health, but sometimes it can take some time to see those results from scarlet. And so if you can layer it with a NOUVADerm, they're like, oh my gosh, this looks amazing, right? After one treatment. And it's so, like, then it convinces them to keep investing, to keep going, to kind of continue on that aesthetics journey. So I just find it's so awesome. It's also so fast because you can layer it in and it's like literally 15 minutes for like a light procedure, and it's wonderful. And because of the really no consumables with it, if you're already doing a scarlet, you're going to use an XOE anyway, you can layer it in with literally no additional cost. And I tell patients all the time, like, we just want to love you. And so we're going to throw this in so you can get the best possible results. And this is like, you know, a $900 to $1,500 value, but we just want to give this to you for free, right? So it really builds that value add. So one, you'll never lose that patient. But two, then they get phenomenal results and you still make money because there's now really consumables.